What do we do when life give us lemons? What do you do? What do you do? No, this is not juggling, is it? Can I do it with 3? Let's see. Toot! Wait, what? 113,000 subscribers? No way, there must be something wrong. I gotta mark this. Oh my goodness. What? Look at this. 113,000 subscribers. No way, there must be something wrong with this. No way. I think YouTube is screwing up with me. One day shows me that I had 113,000 subscribers and I'm like, what? I went viral. I suppose it was a glitch, and then a week later it showed me with 116,000 subscribers. Like, what? But in reality, I just passed the 200 mark, and I wanted to thank you very much for hanging out with me and subscribing. It has been an interesting time for me because I'm learning everything from pretty much zero knowledge. Perhaps in time, things will point me in a certain direction. I don't know, like the subscriber amount, I don't really worry too much right now because I am learning, I am developing, and in time, I suppose things will change. Like life, I am experiencing personal loss and I'm struggling. I am trying to stay positive and focus on my life from this point forward. But it's a challenge and I don't want to act as if it's not happening. Things are happening and things are difficult. And like I said, I am struggling, but I am trying, and I know that the day will come where this will be a distant memory. Lessons learned, and I hope again that time will be on my side. I have a lot of things that I need to figure it out. I want to continue to bring some sort of content for you. I want to bring my best to you, but forgive me for this time if I may seem a little bit unstable with when I load a video or what the video is going to be about. I don't know right now because this is the beginning of something else. But I wanted to say thank you. I want to show you my appreciation. Every one of you matters a lot to me. All your comments matter a lot to me. When you show me that you are on the other side of these videos, it really means something special to me. And I hope that we continue to stay in touch, connect, and maybe me getting up from where I am right now, getting up from very down, may help someone else. I don't know. I just hope that as I struggle and overcome those struggles, it may help someone else. And honestly, that is the only intent of why I share the things that I go through, the things that I do, and what I learn. So it may help somebody else. I don't know, I feel like I'm always looking for that knowledge, and I feel very appreciative when I do find the answers, and the best thing that I can do is to pass that forward. Anyway, life is throwing lemons at me right now, so I'm going to do something good with them. So for now, I'm just going to have a little medicine for the soul. What the heck? We can do this, no? Can I do this? Should I do this? Don't they say when life gives you lemons, have a drink? Oh man, oh man. It's too early for this. But it's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? Here is to my subscribers and all the subscribers to come. Let's do this. No bad. No bad. Thank you guys, seriously. Pray for me, send me your good vibes. I'm gonna get through this. I am gonna get through this. For now, ciao, and please come back. Mwah.